My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, Professor and Chief Soil Health Specialist, Anand Agriculture University, Parol University, and Mati Agro Private Limited, Anand, Gujarat. So today the topic of my YouTube is role of micronutrients, iron, manganese, zinc, and copper on crop production. The importance of micronutrient in agriculture production. Micronutrients are required by the plant in lesser quantity, yet essential for the plant growth and survival. Micronutrients are essential elements that are used by plant in small quantity. Yield and quality of agricultural product increase with micronutrient application. Therefore, human and animal health is protected with feed of enrichment plant material. Each essential element only when can perform its role in plant nutrition properly, that other necessary elements are available in balanced ratio for plant. So balanced nutrition is very, very important for the healthy growth of the plant. The extremely important role of micronutrient, proper crop nutrition management is an extremely important precondition for healthy and vigorous crop. Even though demand for micronutrients are very small in quantity, these nutrients directly affect plant growth and development as well as quality. Role of micronutrient in crop production. So different micronutrients, boron, copper, iron, manganese, zinc, boron, and nickels. So effective function performed by micronutrient plant metabolism, reproductive growth, production of carbohydrate, chlorophyll synthesis, nutrient regulation, fruit and seed development. So micronutrients play a key role in metabolic activities of the plant. They include boron, zinc, manganese, iron, copper, molybdenum, and fluorine. The function of each of these are given below. So today we will discuss iron, manganese, copper, and zinc. Then zinc and copper. So iron is absorbed by plant root as Fe2, Fe3 sufficiency range of Fe in plant tissue is 50 to 20, 250 ppm. In soil, 5 ppm is required for this sufficiency of the iron in plant. Below 5 ppm, then it is a deficient. So function of iron, it helps in the synthesis of chlorophyll, structural component of porphyrin molecule like cytochrome, hematine, hems, ferrichrome, and hemoglobin. These substances are involved in oxidation reduction reactors in respiration and photosynthesis. Structural component of non-hemine compound like ferredoxin constitute of enzyme system, cytochrome oxidase catalyze nitrogenous reaction in plant. Then deficiency of the iron. Deficient symptom occur in younger leaves since Fe is immobile element within a plant. So iron is immobile in plant, whereas nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium is mobile in plant. So their deficiency found in lower leaves, whereas iron is immobile, so the deficiency observed in younger leaves or on the top of the plant. It occurs in soil of calcareous or alkaline soil and poorly drained waterlogged soils. So it observed in problematic soil, saline alkaline or calcareous and poor drained waterlogged soils. Younger leaf develop interveinal chlorocyst which progresses rapidly over the entire leaf. Severe cause entire leaf turn yellow color. So interveinal chlorosis means it turn into yellow color. So iron deficiency in banana, you can see here, the vein remain greens but other portion become chlorotic. Then iron deficiency in mango. Then iron deficiency in corn or maize. So you can see here, the vein remain greens but other portion become chlorotic. And you can observe in a young leaves or top leaves. Then iron deficiency in rice paddy crop. Then iron deficiency in citrus. So I did PhD in soil science, and I have taken the iron chlorosis problem in citrus, cargi lime, acid lime. Then iron chlorosis in sorghum. So you can see the growth of the sorghum crop, poor growth, and the plant become chloritic, and there is a very less crop production. Then in acidic soil, iron toxicity in rice crop cultivation under acid sulfate soil. So in Himachal Pradesh, Assam, they have the acid soil and they have the iron toxicity, because you know that uh, iron, then manganese, then aluminum are more available in acid soil. Then second one is manganese. So function of manganese: help in chlorophyll formation, involved in photosynthesis, particularly evolution of oxygen, involved in oxidation reduction processes, in decarboxylation and hydrolysis reaction, involves in enzyme system and various enzyme reaction in the citric acid cycle. It is substituted for magnesium in many of the phosphorylating and group transfer reaction. And deficiency of the manganese, immobile in plants. So similarly, iron, it is also immobile, and deficiency start in the younger leaves or top leaves. Interveinal chlorosis occur. Oat, gray streaks, pea, marsh spot, sugar beets, speckle yellow, sugarcane, yellow blight, midrib, pale green and white. Deficiency increase aspartic acid and decreases glutamine, increases respiration, and last one is accumulation of nitrogen compound mainly as amines. So manganese deficiency symptoms in corn and wheat. So you can see here corn and wheat crop. Then manganese deficiency in banana crops. Then manganese deficiency in cowpea crops. Manganese deficiency in mango crop. Similarly, in acid soil also there is a toxicity of the manganese. So here you can see the toxicity, and it is healthy plant of the peas. So balanced nutrition is important. When there is a deficiency, then you will observe the manganese deficiency. When there is a higher uptake of the manganese, then toxicity. So balanced nutrition is important, and for that we have to carry out this soil analysis. Then zinc. Function of zinc, essential to formation of growth hormone, help in reproduction of certain plant, influence the activity of dehydrogenase enzymes, involved in oxygen metabolism like tryptophan synthesis. Then deficiency, light yellow or white area between the veins of leaves, particularly older leaves. So it observed in the older leaves. Death of tissue, discolor, malformation of fruit, reduced growth hormone production, cotton, white bird or little leaf in cytoscope, mottle leaf due to zinc deficiency, potato, fern leaf, fruit is rosette, abnormal growth, and paddy hair diseases due to deficiency of the zinc. So you can see here the zinc deficiency, so it is a healthy plant, and left side the plant having the zinc deficiency. So here you can see there is a severe stunting caused by shortening of internode. So shortening of internode, so plant remain dwarf. So internode length is shortened due to zinc deficiency, and plant remain dwarf. There is a healthy plant, the zinc is sufficient in soil, so it is healthy plant. So you can see the growth between two plants. So normal plant is on the right side. So it is a normal plant, and in left side deficiency of the zinc in maize crop or corn crop. Zinc deficiency in corn, you can see the growth is very poor, and you can see here the zinc deficiency, and we are not getting the higher crop production. In India, we have the more zinc deficiency. So diagnosis: zinc deficiency in wheat crop, zinc deficiency in cotton crop, zinc deficiency, I told that in rice, it is known as Kera disease. तो धन में एक जिंक की कमी, तो उनको कॉल ऐसे केरा रोग in हिंदी में. So zinc deficiency in rice. Then Last one is copper. So copper is absorbed by plant as cupric ion, Cu2, normal concentration in plant 5 to 20 ppm. Function of copper, essential for the synthesis of vitamin A, act as a catalyst in respiration, act as an electron carrier in enzyme which bring about oxidation reaction plant constitute of chlorophyll. Then deficiency of the copper, chlorosis, withering and distortion of terminal buds, leaf tissue appear along the tips and edges of leaf, multiple bud formation in the leaf axil and malformation of leaves, gawa, cracking of fruit and terminal bud dieback. So when there is deficiency of the copper in gawa, then there is the cracking of fruits. Then heavy liming, excessive application of nitrogen and P-induced copper deficiency. So in your soil, there is a more phosphorus, then you will observe the copper deficiency because both have the antagonistic effect. So copper deficiency in wheat, then copper deficiency in rice, copper deficiency in banana, then copper deficiency symptom in tissue culture banana plant. You can see the typical deficiency of the copper. Then diagnosis copper deficiency in oat crop, it is a forage crops, it is fed to the animal. So you can grow as a single cut as well as multi-cut. So myself, Dr. P.C. Patel, Chief Soil Health Specialist, Mati Agromart Private Limited. So I am working in Mati Agromart Private Limited, or the another firm name is Sevama Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India. And our website is sevama.in. So you know that when there is a deficiency of the micronutrient, then there is a drastic reduction of the crop yield. For that, the farmers would have to carry out soil, water, and plant testing for testing of plant nutrients, including micronutrients, at Sevam Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India. So please contact helpline number +91 63 59 59 59 59. So you know that major nutrient nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, secondary nutrient calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and micronutrient zinc, iron, copper, manganese, molybdenum, nickel, etc. has been carried out at the Sevam Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Moreover, we are carried out the pH, electric conductivity, and organic carbon. On the basis of the soil test value, I am giving the advice to the farmers as per the demand of the farmers. Suppose farmer want in Gujarati, then I explain in Gujarati, Hindi, or English. We are also carried out the water analysis for different parameter, pH, EC, hardness, alkalinity, and TDS. We are also carried out the plant testing. So you know that soil, water, and plant testing is required periodically for obtaining the higher crop production. If you are not carried out the soil analysis and you are add the nutrient in soil as per your wish, then your soil has the imbalance of the plant nutrients and the crop yield has been declined and you are not getting the more profit from the farming. Therefore, I am requested to carry out the soil test, water test, and plant test before sowing of the crop. But you don't forget that soil testing is very, very important because soil testing is the first step for soil fertility management. So I have narrated to the farmers and others research worker related to agriculture on iron, manganese, zinc, and copper. And if you have liked my YouTube, then don't forget the subscribe my channel or YouTube. So thank you very much for listening me.